I didn't even read the instructions on the exhaust. I wonder if they're this detailed of all the problems you're gonna face. Try to. Oh crap! It fell. It's okay though, I survived, guys. It's just as dangerous in the garage sometimes. What is this from? It's just because it's tough to get in. Ah, got it. Pops out. Easy. Okay. Where's the damn servo wires? Here we are. Get out, you piece of crap. This is the worst, tightest, best design a BMW could ever come up with to make life difficult. Oh, there's a plug. Oh, I just scratched my freaking subframe. Ah. I wonder if I can do that plug on the phone. Okay, guys, that's it. Don't do that scratch like I just did. You know, the tough part is to actually get it off. You're gonna kind of like peel it back and wiggle it around, get some lube in there if you have to. Get it off, you stuck piece of crap. And so I've never done this before, so it's going to be an experiment. And these bolts are different on the 2015. A little different design.